Washington, Reuters. In a move certain to please conservatives, President Donald Trump on Friday added 5 names to his list of candidates for a prospective U.S. Supreme Court vacancy as he presses ahead with the campaign to move the federal judiciary to the right. 2 of them are appellate judges who were nominated by Trump earlier this year and confirmed by the Senate, Amy Coney Barrett and Kevin Newsom. Another, Brett Kavanaugh, sits on the U.S. Court of Appeals in Washington, long viewed as a stepping stone to the High Court. The others were Britt Grant, a Georgia Supreme Court justice, and Patrick Wyrick, a Oklahoma Supreme Court justice. There is no current vacancy on the U.S. Supreme Court, but 3 justices are 79 or older. During his presidential campaign last year, Trump identified 20 conservative candidates for the Supreme Court. Upon taking office, he named Neil Gorsuch to the court to replace the late Justice Antonin Scalia, restoring the Supreme Court's conservative majority. Gorsuch was confirmed by the Senate in April and has established himself as one of the Supreme Court's most conservative justices. Speaking at a Federalist Society conference of conservative legal advocates, White House counsel Donald McGahn said Trump is very committed to appointing judges who are committed originalists and textualists, referring to a legal philosophy that relies on the actual wording of laws and the original meaning of the U.S. Constitution. They all have paper trails. They all are sitting judges. There is nothing unknown about them. What you see is what you get, McGahn said. The 5 jurists, all with strong conservative credentials, were added to the list with input from conservative leaders, and should another seat on the court open up, Trump will nominate a candidate from the updated list of 25, the White House said.